Amigas, today we're making some mulitas de asada. This is one of those meals that you can make when the kids are running everywhere, you don't know what to cook, and you have to hurry up and get some dinner on the table. This receta is super comforting, so delicious. So let's make it, amigas. Come on. For our mulita, we need to start off with our meat, which brings me to the word of the day today, mulita. Say it with me.
Mulita.
A mulita is a quesadilla that has 2 tortillas and you build it with some cheese. Of course, our asada is super delicious. So, you need to make a mulita. To season our meat, we're starting off with some tequila lime seasoning, some garlic powder, and for that extra sabor for our meat, we're using oranges.
Wow, that is cool. So unexpected.
I accidentally got some blood oranges at the store, but this is going to make it taste even better, a little sweeter, so good. Let's see if this is the right move. It still has some tang, some sweetness, it's perfect.
Testing on the fly? I like it.
Mexican things. For that extra tang, we need our limon. And for our final little kick on this marinade, I'm adding cilantro. I forgot we normally chop it.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine, amigas. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. We're going to let our carne sit for about 10 minutes, amigas, so that the meat can soak up all the juices and taste amazing. It's also going to tenderize our meat so that we're able to bite into it and just enjoy it. Our meat has been marinating for about 10 minutes, so let's start cooking it up on the griddle, amigas. Before setting our meat onto the griddle, we need to add a little bit of oil. Today I'm using grasa olive oil. It's amazing, perfect to cook our meat. Rubbing the oil on the griddle helps spread out the oil so we can have an even layer. To lay out our carne, I'm just using my hands because, amigas, this meal has a lot of fat, so it rips a little easier, and we don't want that today. At least not yet, because I want to cook it in a full piece. In our mulitas, we're adding some chopped onion, some cilantrito. I like cutting my onion and cilantro in small pieces just because I'll be able to get it in every single bite that I give my mulita. Our asada is ready. It has that crisp on the outside and still juicy on the inside. It's not too overcooked. You can let it sit on the griddle a little longer if you like, amigas. Now that we have our juicy carne ready, let's cut it in little pieces. If you're gonna make me angry, this is the time so I can chop this up really quick. Let's go. Say something.
Your cooking is okay.
And of course, we gotta give our carnita a little taste test. That's so good. Holy moly. Amigas, that was the first time I used a blood orange for my marinade, and I love it. Our carne is done, our veggies are chopped. Let's warm up our tortillas on the griddle. We need to clean up our griddle so we can cook our tortillas on it. So easy to clean. So if you say KG Cooks doesn't work out, yeah, she does. Damn. We're warming up the tortilla on one side, then we will flip it to that warm side that we have. That's where we add our cheese, our meat, cebolla, cilantro. Then we could close it off with our other tortilla and get ready for the cheese crisp. Our mulitas are ready. The cheese inside is melted. The cheese shell outside the tortilla is super crispy, so let's get it off the griddle. Do you hear that, babe?
Oh, I heard it.
It's got that crunch. Now for our topping, some sour cream, salsita roja.
Did you steal that from somewhere?
No, I bought it on Amazon. No.
Mexican restaurants don't let her in the house.
Lucias, por favor, let me come back. A little bit of garnish, some cilantrito. Y que no nos falte some more cheese, but this time we're using cotija cheese. Our mulitas are ready, so let's give them a taste test. I got my meat, my melting cheese, topped with my cilantro, some onion in there. So good. Yeah! See? That's what you get.
It's so good.
Amigas, I really hope you enjoyed this receta. It was super easy. I told you guys, super quick. It will literally take you less than 20 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, amigas, don't forget to subscribe to Blackstone Products YouTube page. If you're going to make these or you've made these already, let me know in the comments, amigas. Provecho. Bye. Love you guys.